Hey there, fellow coders! Today I'm diving deep into the world of Australian medical coding. Whether you're a seasoned coder or just starting out, this video will give you everything you need to know. First off, let's talk about the core books you'll need. In Australia, medical coders primarily use ICD 10AM, ACHI and ACS. ICD 10AM stands for the International Statistical Classification of Diseases and Related Health Problems, 10th revision, Australian modification. It's essentially the backbone of medical coding, used to translate a patient's medical condition into a standardized code. Next, we have ACHI, which stands for the Australian Classification of Health Interventions. This book is crucial for coding procedures and interventions. So whether it's a minor surgery or a complex procedure, ACHI has got you covered. Lastly, there's ACS, or the Australian Coding Standards. These are the guidelines that ensure consistency and accuracy in coding. Think of them as the rule book for coders, making sure everyone is on the same page. Now let's move on to the exams. To become a certified medical coder in Australia, you typically need to pass the HIMAE Clinical Coding Competency Exam. HIMAE stands for the Health Information Management Association of Australia. This exam tests your knowledge of ICD 10AM, ACHE and ACS, as well as your practical coding skills. The exam is divided into two parts, theoretical and practical. The theoretical part tests your understanding of coding principles and the use of coding books. The practical part, on the other hand, involves actual coding scenarios where you'll need to apply what you've learned. It's important to prepare thoroughly for this exam. Many coders take courses or attend workshops to brush up on their skills. HIMAE itself offers various training programs that can be incredibly helpful. Once you pass the exam, you'll be recognized as a certified medical coder, opening up a world of opportunities in the healthcare industry. So there you have it, folks. Australian medical coding in a nutshell. From the essential books to the required exams, now you know what it takes to excel in this field. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!